Okay, this video explains how you can create your webmail and then log into it and check your email, right? Before I go on, I want to make it clear that your current stage of hosting only allows you to create one email. You can't create two, right? So don't try even creating. Just create one and use that, okay? And I advise you use something like info@yourdomainname.com.ng or whatever, or admin as your domain name.com, something like that. So you can use it for various other things like sending out emails, getting payments information when people pay and all that. So with that said, here is exactly. So I'm going to be giving an example with this my site, my dummy site 234leak.com. All right. Then you go to cPanel.com, right? Every of you that have gotten their details should your details should include in the email there should be a cPanel username and password. So to access your cPanel, you go to your domain name / cPanel, right? So that's exactly what I'm going now. So I'm going to click on enter. Good. It might show something like this. Sometimes shows something like this. It's perfectly okay. It's perfectly normal. So what you need to do in this case is to go to advanced and click on proceed, right? So if it shows this, is nothing to worry about at all. Okay. Now it brings you here. You put in your cPanel username, which is mine should be okay, something like this. Then the password, you type in your password. I'm typing in mine right now. Then you click on login. Once you are in, if everything works fine, if you key in your details correctly, it will log you in like this, right? So what you have to do here is you come just here and search for email. Just type in email. Yeah, when you type in email, it will automatically pull out this one, right? Or if you don't want to type it in, then you can just if you have the time, you can scroll through. I think it's somewhere around here under email, right? That's email accounts. But the easiest way is to type it in that search box. Now you come here. I'm gonna create something like info. Let me make sure. Okay, I don't have any email account here. As you can see, there's no email account here, right? I don't have. If I have anyone here, it will be listed here, but I don't have any here. So I'm gonna come here and create info. All right, then your email will now be info@234league.com or info at your domain whatever.com.biz or whatever it is, right? Then password, I choose a password here. You repeat the same password again. Okay, make sure you leave it at this 250 so it doesn't clog your mailboxes, right? Make sure you don't make it unlimited so it doesn't use up your bandwidth. Leave it at 250. Okay, then you come here and click on create account. Now if it's successful, you see something like account created, info@234leak.com. Okay, now as you can see, the email is now listed here. Okay, the email is now listed here, and we'll have no email yet. Okay, and few things before I take you to how to log into your email and check your email, your inbox. If you want to change your password or something, you log into your cPanel and come here and click password and change your password. Okay, if you want to delete it, maybe you've created info@234league.com and you want to now create go@234league.com, you can come here and delete this entirely. But know that if you delete it, it deletes all the mails you have in the inbox. So be very careful and be sure you actually want to do that. Okay, so to check your email, to log into this email box, remember the email address is this, then the password is the one I've chosen when I was creating this email. We'll open another browser and go to your domain name, all right, /webmail. Okay, then you click on enter. Let's see what happens here. It throws up where you have to now log in with those details we created a while ago. Okay, connection. Okay, it's coming now. Okay, those details we created a while ago. So the email, you said enter your email address here, which will now be info at 234leak.com. Then the password, the one I chose when I just chose a while ago. Then you click on login. Login successful, redirecting me to my inbox right now. Now, because this is your first time, okay, then the next thing you do is to click on you click on got it. I think it happens the first time, yeah. Okay, and then you have three application options to log into your email. Okay, but I stick with Squirrel Mail, so you can just set it as a default, or if you don't want it as a default, you can click on this. But if you want it as a default, you click on this. So I always set mine as default, and then I click on it. It opens. Okay, because it's our first time, it will throw this open for you to configure your inbox. Now what you do here, you put in whatever email whatever name you want to bear. Okay, in my case I just put patogiri.com and submit. That's all you need to do on this particular page. Okay, right now this is what your inbox looks like. So as you can see, we have the inbox, we have the draft, we have the sent, we have the trash. Now if you want to check your email, you just come to inbox, and this is if the first default email I've received, right? And if you want to open it, it's just the same way you open your Gmail, your Yahoo, and all that. So this is how it appears here. You click on email, whatever, and then this is the email. Okay, if you want to reply to the email, you click on reply, and then you compose your mail and send out. That's one. If you want to see the email in HTML format, I think what you need to do in this case is view as HTML. Right now it's showing in text format, meaning pictures will not show. They will only be attached here as files, images, right? But if you want everything to show the way it is in the mail, in the original mail, then you have to click on this view as HTML. All right, then now everything shows, both the pictures, both the colors, and everything. So this is how to check your email. It's as simple as that. First of all, you go to your cPanel, log into your cPanel with the details created for you. Create your email account. Once you've created it with your email and password, okay, go to your domainname.com/webmail, and then log in with those information, and you are bam right into your email box. That's it. Thank you.